And thank you so much, Sister Vanji. So another clap offering to the Lord for Sister Vanji and her testimony of how God is really faithful to her and how the Santo Niño has really helped her in her faith journey. So ito naman, syempre we have another brother, di ba sabi ko nga kanina sa inyo, you often see him, ganyan, taking pictures and all that. Pero my dear brothers and sisters, he is really a devotee of the Santo Niño. So without any further ado, let's give a clap offering to the Lord for Brother Richard Eusebio.
Good evening sa inyong lahat. It's been a while since nakatayo ako dito. Siguro mga 2013 pa yata. Okay. When I was young, ay Lisa, mali. Hindi pa yun. Kanta pala yun. When I was young, I still remember my daddy used to go to the sa parish namin sa St. Peter and Paul. Meron kasing image doon na kakaiba. I was fascinated by that image. That was the Santo Niño de Passion. Something na siya kakaiba kasi iba hawak niya eh. Dito, di ba, nakita natin, napakasaya ni Lord. Sa amin sa Santo Niño de Passion sa Poblacion, Makati, ang hawak niya, nails and cross. I was fascinated by that kasi marami akong nakikita ng Santo Niño, masaya, pero ito, kakaiba. That was the beginning of my devotion to the Santo Niño. Fast forward po tayo. 1996 po, when I was my first step in this chapel, I saw that beautiful Santo Niño de Paz. Actually, it was Father Anton na nakapag sa akin, parang inaano nyo ako, ginagayuma ako pumasok dito sa loob na to. I was high school that time. Tapos, iba na yung pag-ano ko nung kay Santo Niño nung nakita ko siya dito. Kasi ito talaga yung oasis ko eh. I was sitting there, always, nung dati po, doon sa gilid na yun, may babae. I was sitting there kasi nandun sa Santo Niño. Parang tinitingnan niya ako lagi siya bantay ko dito. Tapos noon, fast forward uli tayo, 2004. When I was in one of my lowest point in my life, actually, that 2004, I have no work, billings are piling up, friends are hard to find. Hindi natin pwedeng paghiwalayin, sabi nga ni Father June, hindi natin paghiwalayin ang Santo Niño at Nazareno. Nag-pray po ako sa Quiapo na sana magka-work na ako. So, talagang umiyak na ako nun eh. 3 months, no work. Baliktad na buhay ko. Day to night, inom. Tapos wala, mahirap eh. Kasi nag-iisip mo how to pay your billings. But in this church po, dito nasagot yung panalangin ko. I was sitting there at the back, listening to the homily of Father Prex. 2004 po yun. Ibang klase. I was praying kasi, tapos medyo naiiyak ako nun eh, kasi nga nahihirapan ako eh. 2004, when my mom texts me, wala pang messenger nung panahon na yon. Sabi ng mom ko, may tumawag sa bahay natin, report ka na raw. Mag-report ka, dali mo yung pumunta ka sa Quezon City. Mag-report ka, may simula ka na magtrabaho. I was thankful, hindi ko lang maintindihan yung homily ni Father Prex. I was crying, and I'm very thankful to Santo Niño. Kaya hindi pwede paghiwalayin ang batang Jesus kay Jesus Nazareno. Talagang wala akong masabi. I'm thankful. Kaya itong lugar na to, napakamahal sa puso ko nito. Forward, 2008, it's time to pay back. It's time to serve the Lord. Since then, wala nang atrasan. Maraming obstacles, pero tuloy lang. I still remember January 20, 2008. It was my Baptism of Fire. Ano yun kung ano meron January 20? Fiesta ng Santo Niño. When I first served here, I still remember, it was Bishop Pabilio, Father Jim, and Father June. Ibang klase. Nakapag-serve ka na kay Lord dito. Tapos, very thankful. Wala akong masabi. Kaya yun, tuloy-tuloy na yung devotion ko kay Santo Niño. Kung saan ako mapuntang maglugar, saan ako nagtatravel, I always look for a church na Santo Niño. Cebu, meron pa isang napuntahan sa Cagayan. Tapos, pagkatapos nun, bumili ko ng aking paborito Santo Niño. Alam nyo naman, nagala ako. Bumili ko ng Santo Niñong gala. Ayun, doon ko nakuha yung pangalan ko na Wanderer. Kaya gala ko ng gala, sabi ko nga, parang ito ako eh. Kahit sabihin mong gumagala ako ng gumagala, yung may mga taong lalapit at lalapit sa'yo at lalapitan ka, na para patuloy ka, kasi nga sa itong inyong gala, gala lang gala sa napupunta yan. I'm very thankful kasi nga, wala akong masabi kay Lord na sa devotion ko Santo Niño, parang tuloy-tuloy lang. Sabi ko nga, pag natapos ko ng bayaran yung natitira kong insurance, na 2 na lang, gagala ako siguro. Puntahan ko yung kung saan nagpakita sa Santo Niño de Paz sa Europe. Konti na lang, Lord, magkita tayo sa Europe. Ilang months na lang yun. Kaya wala akong masabi. Kaya tuloy-tuloy ang devotion nyo. Meron ups and downs, pero tuloy-tuloy lang. Viva Santo Niño!